Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first, open the app gallery to get the green Apple keyboard, and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this first application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check the new device keyboard. Open the search or the messages app, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.